Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today, well, we got an old metal piece that we're going to try to bring back to life and give it some use. So, follow along. Alright, it is a pretty cool piece, but it is definitely got a lot of like surface rust that we're just going to knock off. Now we're not trying to bring this piece back to life as its original, we're just wanting to clean it up and give it some real nice use in our house, or if we sell it, in somebody else's house. So what the plan is knock all the surface rust off, just give it a nice little polish here, just kind of knock off anything with a Brillo brush. We'll get rid of this handle and change it out for something else. This opens up, and then inside here I'm going to build a flat piece of wood here across the bottom, since this goes down and around, and then maybe we can put like hold wine or something in here, maybe blankets. Since it's starting to warm up again, we can start hiding our blankets again. So just a quick clean over, give it a nice little touch, and well, we'll put it to use. So let's get started. First thing, remove the lid, and it's, that way we can access down inside here a lot easier, and then we can start wire brushing everything. Alright, it's cut. We're going to sand it down, get rid of this poly on it, give it a nice wax, or a stain and then a wax, and then we can put it in the piece there, and we'll get right to the end. Not really that bad of a project so far, but we have sanding ahead of us. So let's hope it goes well. Alright, let's put some stain on it. We're going to use our Refinishing wood stain, classic gray. Going to go over it once, wipe it off. It's going to give it that worn in gray look that we're after. Do both sides, corners, edges, everything, and then we'll be almost ready to go. Alright, here it is completed. Nice little scuff down, got rid of the surface rust of it, kept a lot of the cool patina look of it. Put a new handle on it, and well, It's a cool little basin here that you can store stuff in. Not for everybody, but this piece for me is pretty cool. If you like this project and many others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll keep doing some cool projects. Not sure what it started as back in the day, but well, now it's gonna be a cool project or a cool piece in our house.